3215th episode of India's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम है राज की बात. Women of the Year के साथ. Really want to thank Parekh Brother Jewelers presenting Raj Ki Baat Women of the Year in association with Energy Sense by Dr. Ali Akbar Mehmoon. Also a big thank you to Hayat Couture by Nikki Rangunwala, and also a big thank you to the place I'm at right now, because शादी का बहाना तो तनेरा जरूर आना है ना. मेरी आज की जो मेहमान है, शी इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बाय प्रोफेशन. शी इज a financial advisor, has been practicing past 30 plus years, have been very lucky to have children who are also into the same profession. Her daughter is also a chartered accountant, and also her son is a lawyer. But most importantly, she is she's been very happy with and she says she's very fortunate to marry. She's been a Kapil fan, so when she got married to Kapil, she was like, "Wow, I got the 1983 World Cup." Yeah. And it's been a very interesting and very amazing journey for a lady who's been practicing into financials, but then having some great passion and great aspirations to do in life when it comes to trekking or something which is related to gardening and things like that. So, and the most important thing is, when she's around, people are happy. That's what people say about her. Please welcome my guest today, my Women of the Year. Please welcome Chartered Accountant Vineeta Kapil Bahari. Ma'am, namaskar.
Namaskar. Thank you for such a lovely introduction. Thank you so much.
My honor, ma'am. So, first of all, wishing you a very happy 2026.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
कैसा लगता है मैम, कैसा होगा ये साल?
बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. Extremely good.
Extremely good.
Absolutely.
Super. So, ये आप बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्ट हमेशा से रहती हैं, या मतलब आज है, या हमेशा से रहती हैं?
नहीं, प्रोफेशन मुझे अलाउ नहीं करता इतना ज्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्ट. वी आर मोर ऑफ रैशनलिस्ट.
Okay.
But we always like to start with the right foot.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so what's your story?
My story, like I said, let's start from the beginning. I was born in Lucknow to a doctor and a homemaker. Lovely parents. And my father was in the army, so I was all over the country, traveled all over, stayed everywhere, and finally settled down in Nagpur with my husband Kapil. He's been a chartered accountant. His family's been a chartered accountant for more than 90 years now. So yes, so we've been dealing in numbers mostly all our lives. And so this is my story. Numbers. Yes.
Ma'am, so it was marriage who got you to Nagpur? Or you?
No, I was in Nagpur before that. In fact, I did my 11th and 12th in Hislop College. And then I did my articleship here. Completed my CA. I've also done MBA from the department. And yes, my kids have been born here. So pura Nagpuri Santara hu main.
But ma'am, when you come from a city like Lucknow, which is अगर आप कहते हैं ना आप खुश हैं, तो आप लखनऊ में हैं.
अच्छा, I did not know that, but I was born in Lucknow and I moved out 3 years when I was 3 years old.
Okay.
So I don't know much about it. I intend to go back. My son's been there a couple of times for the tunde kebab. So
right.
Yeah.
Okay, but so this profession of numbers.
Yeah.
You became a chartered accountant, been practicing. But when you look at the profession, how is the profession?
I think
is it as struggling as other professions?
See, any profession in my view has a lot of promise as long as you are dedicated to it and you put your shoulder to the wheel. आप कुछ भी करें, अगर आप तहे दिल से करें, तो सारी कायनात आपको आगे बढ़ा ही देती है.
बिल्कुल.
So it's the same for chartered accountancy. But the one good thing I think about this profession is it's a very honorable profession. हम लोग कई लोगों ने हमारा नाम जरूर खराब किया है, but in general we are people with a lot of ethics, and we do have a pretty high level of professional integrity as well.
इंडिया में हर साल लाखों बच्चे इस एग्जाम के लिए बैठते हैं
जी
उसमें से कुछ चुनिंदा हजार बच्चे पास आउट होते हैं
जी
द परसेंटेज द व्हाट यू कॉल इट द रेशियो is 2:100
correct
which is a very big I mean very difficult to see from outside
that's true
but then ma'am do we need these big numbers of chartered accountants in or we need is this percentage very small or
so now this is my personal opinion हमारे जो प्रोफेशन में आपकी एंट्री इजी है एग्जिट डिफिकल्ट है मतलब आपको एडमिशन तो आराम से मिल जाती है लेकिन आपका पासिंग प्रॉब्लमेटिक है एंड इट इज द सेम फॉर ऑल प्रोफेशंस अब अगर आप मेडिकल में जाए तो आपकी एंट्री डिफिकल्ट है लेकिन अगर आप एक बार जब बन गए मतलब एंट्री हो गई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम पास कर दिया तो आपने डॉक्टर बनना ही बनना है
बिल्कुल
दैट्स नॉट द सेम केस ऑफ सीए सो द नंबर्स आर द सेम अगर डॉक्टर इतने निकल रहे हैं तो सीए भी तकरीबन उतने ही निकल रहे हैं एंड एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग अगर आप हमारा टैक्स बेस देखें अगर हमारा जीडीपी देखें तो आप प्रोफेशनल बॉडी जो है हमारी इंस्टीट्यूट की इट डज अ वेरी गुड जॉब एट मैनेजिंग द डिमांड एंड सप्लाई बिकॉज अगर हर गली में 10 चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो गए तो खाली हम अपनी ही रिटर्न फाइल करते रह जाएंगे ना
चल उसके भी वादे हो जाएंगे अगर हर गली में होना लग गया तो लेकिन फिर भी मैम जब हम जब आपने बात कही कि एक डॉक्टर तो डॉक्टर ही रहता है बट एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वक्त के साथ और भी बहुत सारी चीजें एक्सप्लोर करता है जैसे फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर का रोल या a lot of people get into the mutual I mean that is again financial advising but then there are more aspects to it
these are all specializations जैसे कोई डॉक्टर डेंटिस्ट बनता है कोई ऑर्थोपेडिक बनता है जैसे इसमें कोई प्योर कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स करता है कोई इनडायरेक्ट करता है कोई ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग करता है इवन इन टैक्सेशन देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट एवेन्यूज मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजरी कर रही हूँ म्यूचुअल फंड्स इंश्योरेंस वगैरह आई मीन आई डू एन एंटायर फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग गैमेट बट यस वी आर स्पेशलाइजिंग इन स्पेसिफिक फील्ड्स so that just like any other profession not much different
and when it comes to women in this profession
yes
how are they looked up
extremely I think this is a very good profession for women very good profession in fact yes
okay ma'am except जब returns भरने होते हैं
जी
है ना बाकी तो साल भर I think it's a 10 to 6 job isn't it
एक्चुअली इतने सारे रिटर्न्स हैं कभी टीडीएस का जाता है तो कभी जीएसटी का जाता है तो it should be a 9 to 6 job ideally but if you will definitely get those high intensity pressure periods almost every month or two so yeah
अब वो कहने वाली बात है मैम जब आपने काम करना इनिशियली जब डेज में काम करना शुरू किया था आपने जिनकी अंडर में इंटर्नशिप की व्हाट वाज द बेस्ट ऑफ लेसन्स व्हिच यू लर्न व्हिच यू अप्लाइड इन योर प्रैक्टिस एज वेल
बी सिस्टमैटिक बी परसिस्टेंट एंड check till you are absolutely sure and check once more
okay and how has been the other side of life I mean family and your time with couples and things. So it's been how many years you're married now
we've been married 32 years
32 years so when you got married you weren't a CA
I was almost a CA my one final group was remaining
okay
yeah
Okay, जिसके
And
लिए
I
दो
can't really be say almost a CA क्योंकि there's many a slip between the cup and the lid. I know many जो एक ग्रुप की वजह से CA नहीं बन पाए.
जी.
So I am so blessed that I was able to make it, and for that I must thank my mom-in-law. She was very careful and she was very cooperative, and she's the one who insisted कि नहीं, you just study, don't do anything else. And yeah, that's how I made it.
So while you were जब ये challenges आ रहे थे of the second group which you just mentioned in the chartered accountancy,
Yeah.
तो how was Kapil sir motivating you? Words of wisdom क्या मिल रहे थे उनसे?
So I think again I was very fortunate that Kapil has a very good standing in his fraternity, and everyone knows him quite well. So I was able to get the help from many good teachers and mentors because I was Kapil's wife. So like Shenwai sir, Shah sir, I have been under their tutelage. And अगर वो नहीं होते तो मैं CA नहीं होती. It's as simple as that.
When you talk about hurdles in life,
Yes.
कौन से ऐसे लम्हे रहे हैं विनीता मैम की लाइफ में जो डिफिकल्ट रहे, जिन्हें जब वो याद करती हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि इतने भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं थे?
हाँ, तो जब वो वक्त गुजर जाता है और आप पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं तो वो डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगते. लेकिन जब आप
इन योर सेलिंग,
जब आप वो एक्चुअली यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दोज मोमेंट्स, दे सीम क्वाइट अनबेरेबल. बट आई थिंक with age things have become a little, you tend to take things more in stride कि हाँ ठीक है हो जाएगा. नहीं हुआ तो भी क्या कर सकते हैं.
So what is still difficult for you? पहले भी difficult था, आज भी difficult है.
I think the most difficult thing for me is to be how should I say, equanimous when I see somebody being absolutely unfair, unreasonable, and untruthful. It just gets to me. And I've tried to tell myself it doesn't matter, but I can't take it. It's difficult for me to accept it.
So when you're not able to take it, what do you do? Do you express? Do you?
Yeah, well, that's what I'm trying to do, being equanimous, but I do tend to blow my top many a times. Yeah.
Ma'am, when you have when you are a working lady,
Yeah.
And you have a responsibility of the family,
Yeah.
जब आप अपने दोनों बच्चों, so who's elder, your son or your daughter?
My daughter.
और क्या नाम है उनके?
Itisha.
Okay, and what's your name of your son?
Amay.
Amay.
Yeah.
Okay, so जब Itisha आपकी लाइफ में आई, what changed? I mean,
so I must tell you how when I gave my final group, CA का, I was 6 months pregnant.
Oh.
Yeah. So ये जैसे मैं ये टेबल और वो चेयर होती थी ना, बेंच एक साथ, उसके आपको you had to slide through.
Right.
So you can imagine a 6 month pregnant lady trying to slide through that bench to sit down and give her exam. And complete hormone overload. And then there was this rather talkative teacher invigilator who was disturbing me, and I blew my top on her that day.
Okay. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक 6 months प्रेग्नेंट लेडी के मूड स्विंग्स होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. 4th या 5th मंथ से ही शुरू हो जाते हैं वो.
So हम जब इतिशा CA बनी तो मुझे लगा कि वो सीख कर आई थी, वो जैसे अर्जुन के बेटे सीख कर आए थे ना
जी.
So I said
धनुष चलाना.
हाँ, तो
उन्होंने कभी बोला मैं अपनी माँ के पेट से CA बनकर आई?
उससे तो नहीं बोला, बाकी से.
Okay.
Yeah.
And ma'am, जब अमय के बारे में बात करते हैं तो how how was Amay? How जब आप उनका childhood देखती हैं, because तब तक तो शायद आप अपने काम में और भी ज़्यादा busy होने लग गई थी.
No, so one thing I did was that I was home by the time my kids came home from school.
Okay.
So I used to work half a day. I never worked full day. मैं शुरू से ही जब मेरे बच्चे स्कूल से वापस आते थे तो मैं भी घर पर ही होती थी. So and after they were settled, then I would work from home.
Okay.
So that's how I made my routine.
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैम ये प्रोफेशन थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट देता है वर्क फ्रॉम होम का.
Yes.
You can work from home.
You can.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, your daughter is in Bangalore. Your son is in Delhi.
Yeah.
How much do you miss your children?
So that's also, I think, that's a work in progress. I used to miss them terribly. I miss them a little less terribly now. I'm trying to get more busy in more things.
So things like work or
work, yes, work is definitely the best thing that's happened to me, and to anybody, in fact. But you can't work 24/7; it completely drains you out. So, gardening, trekking, these are my pursuits which keep me busy and my mind occupied.
Financial literacy in India, especially for women, is a question.
That's true.
What's your opinion about it?
So paradoxically, I think women are better money managers than men. The reason being, since time immemorial, the men were the hunter-gatherers and the women were the nurturers.
True.
Okay. So the men would go out and bring in the kill, and it was the women's job to take care, so that to provide for everybody within what was available. And what is financial planning, financial management, investment? It's the same. There's not much different. So all women are financially literate by their DNA, according to me. It's just that over the years, the men have families or menfolk, whatever you say, that okay, theek hai, numbers is really not your tum khana banao, kind of a thing. And women themselves, I have so many clients who have this thing. No, I don't understand numbers. Of course you understand numbers. There's nothing to it. So I think it is a self-fulfilling fear kind of a thing that women don't make good are not financially literate. It's nothing great. Most of them are, if they actually set their mind to it. And financial investment, as it is mostly common sense and persistence. That's it. So,
क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि people who are specialists in that,
yes,
or especially I should say the chartered accountancy fraternity should come out and start educating, or this financial literacy thing should become a part of the curriculum from school? It should be taught.
It's already happening. It's already happening. In fact, for women also, financial literacy for women also. I remember about 8-10 years ago, Aditi Desai, who's the CEO of DSP now, she started this series called Win Wiser. I was one of the advisors. So on CNBC, we would take up a few cases, specifically women investors. Some were single women, some were retirees, some were, and we would deal with their problems on TV itself, that, okay, this is what your corpus is and this is what you need to do. So she was the one who actually started this movement and for women investors, and it's really picked up. In fact, a lot of women are now into investing, and the literacy movement has taken full swing. It's on, really, and a lot of women are very financially literate nowadays. Yeah.
Because you are a mother of a girl, so and she's also in the same profession.
Yes.
And so I really want to understand this from you, ma'am. कि वक्त के साथ जब आप पीछे पलट कर देखती हैं,
जी
आपका वक्त जब when you were growing and when you were into that phase, जब you know बात शादी की हो रही है या शादी के बाद बच्चे की हो रही है, कंसीव करने की हो रही है, अब वक्त बदल रहा है. Girls don't want to get married early. They want to focus in their careers. They don't want to get, if they are okay for the marriage, they don't want to become mothers early. They want to give a little more time for their marriage or probably again career. What's your opinion? जब आप अपना वक्त देखती है और आज इतिशा का वक्त देखती है.
देखिए, हर वक्त बदल ही जाता है. मैं अपने मदर के टाइम से बहुत अलग थी. जो मेरी मॉम का वक्त था तब क्या होता था, फिर मेरे टाइम पे क्या होता है था, अब इतिशा के टाइम पे. सो I mean, you have to go with the flow. And I think the current generation knows what it needs to do. You can't really question them because it's their feet on the ground.
True.
And they know the ground reality is better than us. And we cannot say that हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ था इसलिए अब तुम्हारे टाइम पर ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. हमारा टाइम अलग था, उनका टाइम अलग है.
बिल्कुल. तो if a girl is not ready for marriage and वो अपने करियर पे फोकस करना चाहती है, you think the society should be okay?
I think the society is already okay with it to a large extent. And
नहीं मैम, लेकिन बातें तो होती है.
बातें तो हर चीज की होती है, किसकी नहीं होती है. So yes, but then if somebody wants to have a family, then one should know that the biological clock is ticking. And the career can wait, but the body cannot.
True. So amazing. The number of divorces are increasing. That is again, an alarming situation. And मैं मैम ये मेरी हर विमेन ऑफ द ईयर से पूछता हूँ और मैं समझना चाहता हूँ कि उनका ओपिनियन क्या है इस चीज के बारे में और ये बात को हम कैसे लोगों तक पहुंचाएं. The number is increasing. What is, what do you think, what could be the reason? Why is it happening in a country where we see and say marriage as an institution?
देखिए, यहाँ पर जो हम लोग का यूएस हम लोग प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम बीइंग अ डेवलपिंग सोसाइटी टू अ डेवलप्ड सोसाइटी, तो मुझे पता नहीं हमारी सिस्टम्स, हमारे लाइफस्टाइल्स कितना प्रोग्रेस कर गए टुवर्ड्स द डेवलप्ड सोसाइटी, लेकिन हमारा माइंडसेट ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड सोसाइटी से आगे जा चुका है.
हाँ.
तो जो वहां के डिवोर्सेस नजरिए है वो कुछ हद तक ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. नो, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी हैप्पी सिचुएशन. और क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए, these are questions. It's difficult for a person on the outside to really look in the inside of a family or a couple who are going through a difficult time. But पहले था कि हम एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं, अब बोलते हैं कि किस लिए एडजस्ट करना है. So I mean, why should everybody be unhappy? That is what people say. But I think happiness is a state of mind. Unless there is something terribly wrong, terribly wrong, I don't think it makes sense to divorce. And especially if there are already children involved. So it makes no sense at all. But who are we to say anything? The person
but as an opinion to the society, there should be some opinion.
Be more accepting. Have lesser expectations. Be more loving. All religions teach us to love first.
True.
But I think all of us expect love first.
That giving thing is missing.
To some extent, yes.
Do you understand this Gen Z things? Gen Z, Gen Z Alpha, Gen Alpha, sorry.
No, I don't.
Do you understand these terms?
I've heard of them, but like, it's like, are you a Gen Z? No, mom, he's a millennial. Okay, now who's a millennial and who's a Gen Z? I don't know the difference.
And you don't want to get into that.
It's okay.
So, in 32 years of marriage, I'm sure Kapil sir might have learned a lot from you. What have you learned from him?
He's tried to teach me patience. And he's also tried to teach me that it's okay. It shall pass. I'm still trying to learn all of that. So yeah, I think I'll need another 32 years for that.
What was your surname before marriage?
Seth.
Seth.
Yeah.
Okay. So one Seth thing you still have in you. What is that?
Anger management.
Anger management.
Issues.
Okay, anger issues. Okay.
No, I'm pretty much settled down as compared, but
as the interview is passing, I'm getting a little scared from you now.
No, yeah, I think we get angry pretty fast. Saints. ठंडे भी जल्दी हो जाते हैं, गुस्सा भी जल्दी हो जाते हैं. But
तो आपके गुस्से को सबसे ज्यादा फेस किसने किया है घर पे? कपिल सर ने, इतिशा ने,
my kids. I think Itisha ne zyada, more than Ame. First born, poor thing. Yeah.
But then I'm sure, you know, the kind of bond you have with Itisha might have been really special because
it is.
एक मदर के लिए अपनी बिटिया जो होती है वो पहली बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनती है.
Absolutely, and enemy also. It's a very tenuous relationship. It's mother and daughter relationship. You just love each other, and sometimes you, oh God, yeah.
Are you a spiritual person?
Yes.
फिर भी आप में गुस्सा कैसे है?
शिव जी में गुस्सा था.
हाँ,
मतलब
अच्छा.
I'm a शिव भक्त हूँ.
Okay.
हाँ, तो गलत चीज को टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकते. बट अगर आप बोले गुस्सा ऐसा कि जैसे सब कुछ ऐसा नहीं है.
What upsets you more when you go on the roads? What upsets you?
The dirt, the filth lying around, the paper. You see, we are all a very जहाँ जो सब गंद पड़ा है वो उन्होंने नहीं किया जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है. जो सारा गंद, जो पेपर पैकेट्स, लिफाफे और चीजें जो सब पड़ी रहती हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे रास्ते इतने गंदे दिखते हैं, they are littered by people like us. And that is the saddest part. That we keep saying उसने करना चाहिए, हमने क्या किया? If each of us doesn't do this, there's absolutely no business having dirty roads. This is the worst thing. I mean, every Instagram clip that you're seeing of the mountains, it's sickening to see all the filth lying around.
कहते हैं 5% लोग टैक्स भरते हैं और 95% लोग देश के उसके मजे उठाते हैं. How true is that? As a chartered accountant, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ.
It's not true. जो 5% टैक्स भरते हैं, they are also receiving a lot of benefits. We are a very safe country. Try living in the US, where everybody's got guns. I think we are blessed to be Indians, to live in India, and we live in a very safe country. And if we are paying taxes to be safe, it's well worth it.
But then, मैम ये जो 95% लोग हैं जिनकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, क्या उनपे भी, क्योंकि मैम हम हर चीज के पीछे टैक्स भरते हैं और हम अपने इनकम पे भी टैक्स भरते हैं. Don't you think this is a little unfair?
ऐसा है, गवर्नमेंट को कहीं से तो पैसे चाहिए. Let's not talk about tax. I think the issue is corruption. It's not tax. वो टैक्स किस तरह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है ना, that is the problem, and the leakages are the reason why we have problems. Those who are paying tax don't have a problem. We are happy to pay our taxes. Okay, And if the 95% is not paying taxes, it is किसको ज्यादा कमाने की इच्छा नहीं है. Everybody wants to earn more. And of late everything is online, and it is difficult to evade taxes because पेटीएम से, इवन गोलगप्पे वाला पेटीएम से पैसे एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, उसको भी टैक्स भरना पड़ता है. तो I think we are progressing well, and those who are not paying taxes are not doing it out of, most of them are not doing it out of choice.
बट मैम एज अ लेमैन आई लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग कि मैम मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब ये पेटीएम, फोन पे, गूगल पे वाला सिस्टम शुरू हुआ, एवरीथिंग केम अंडर बैंकिंग, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो टैक्स ब्रैकेट है वो कम हो जाएगा. मतलब कम हो जाएगा इन द सेंस somebody who is making a lakh, 2 lakh rupee a year, an annum also will come under the tax bracket. और उसको कुछ ना कुछ तो पे करना होगा to the government.
Right.
और उससे हमारी उससे हमारी इकोनॉमी पे बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ता है. हमारे हमारी जो तिजोरियां हैं वो थोड़ी सी और ज्यादा भर जाती है.
Right.
पर गवर्नमेंट तो कुछ अलग ही कर रही है. गवर्नमेंट टैक्स ब्रैकेट्स को बढ़ाते जा रही है और कंफर्ट्स मिलते जा रहे हैं उनको. और जो सबसे बड़ा इंडिया है, जो सबसे हाई परसेंटेज इंडिया है, वो उसी टैक्स ब्रैकेट के नीचे आ जा रहा है और टैक्सेशन से बच जा रहा है. तो जो ज्यादा कमा रहा है उसी को ज्यादा देना भी पड़ रहा है. वो भी तो है मैम.
सो वो तो आपको पता है फ्रांस में मैक्सिमम टैक्स ब्रैकेट कितना है? इट्स 70%. मतलब अगर आप 100 रुपए कमा रहे हैं तो आपको 70 रुपए टैक्स भरना है.
तेरी.
हाँ, after a certain level, incrementally. And that's not unfair. If you are earning $1 billion, how much do you really need?
बट मैम वहाँ पे एजुकेशन फ्री है, वहाँ पे हेल्थ सर्विसेज फ्री है, वहाँ पर
हमारा भी धीरे धीरे हो रहा है ये. I mean, आप I don't know when did you last go to a village and so we have those e-boards in villages, and I think we're really progressing very well. हम लोग देखते नहीं है कि हमारे देश में कितने सारे बदलाव आ चुके हैं. it is human nature कि जो चीज ठीक नहीं है हम उसी पे फोकस करते हैं. That is human nature. I'm not denying that. But जितनी चीजें अच्छी हुई हैं वो भी हमें देखनी चाहिए.
मैम देयर इज रिकॉग्निशन, तभी तो वो सरकार को, वो पार्टी को वोट मिल रहा है और वो सरकार में है. देयर इज रिकॉग्निशन, बट देन
of course we can improve more, no question about it. Yes,
it's always a space of improvement.
Yeah.
मैम अब इतने साल हो गए काम करते करते, है ना. Things are great. God has been kind.
Yes.
है ना. And now you are doing trekking, you're doing gardening. There are so many things which you are doing. What gives you happiness the most?
Getting up in the morning, making my chai, sitting with my husband in the garden, seeing my garden and having my chai.
That's it.
Most happiness.
One song of your life, one song which you can listen to in any mood और अच्छा बना देगा आपका, वो मोमेंट बदल देगा आपका. कोई ऐसा गाना है?
हम रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार के पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल.
क्या बात. कोई एक ऐसी बात विनीता जी के बारे में जो किसी को नहीं पता बट आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अब पता चल जाना चाहिए?
I'm an open book. ऐसा कुछ पता है, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
No. Okay. It's so easier. It's so much easy to live life with an open heart. If you keep hiding things, and as you keep progressing in age, you tend to forget कि तुमने क्या छुपाया और कहाँ छुपाया. तो इसलिए बेटर है कि छुपाओ ही नहीं.
ये ओपन बुक जो है, जिसका नाम है विनीता कपिल पारिक, अगर उनका नाम जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब में लिखा जाए, है ना। और उस जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब के नीचे अगर आपको कुछ लिखना रहे, कोई ऐसा कोट, कोई ऐसी बात, कोई ऐसा थॉट, क्या लिखती हैं आप जिसे लोग पढ़ते, ना ही सिर्फ पढ़ते, उसे समझते भी, ना ही सिर्फ समझते, उसे अप्लाई भी करते, ना ही सिर्फ अप्लाई करते, लेकिन उसको अपने जीवन का कहीं ना कहीं एक एक कोड ऑफ लाइफ बनाकर आगे लेके चलते।
Don't take life too seriously. No one ever got out of it alive.
Something which you believe in. One
Yes.
more thing to add.
Yes,
Live life to the fullest.
absolutely. As much as you possibly can.
मैम, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपसे बात करना बहुत आसान है।
Thank you. आपसे भी.
हाँ,
And no wonder आपने इतने episodes करिए and many more to come. Yes.
I'm sure I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But मैम, it's very मतलब ये सच है, आप एक ओपन बुक है। आपसे अगर कोई कुछ जानना चाहे आपके बारे में तो वो बहुत आसानी से आपको पूछ सकते हैं और आप बहुत आसानी से उसको बता भी
दूंगी।
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है